Right chap, today got myself a little dimple lock off the boots, car boot cells, £3. Double LAVE cylindro 60mm, 5 keys, made in Germany apparently, but I don't believe that, but you never know. So for £3, let's see what it's all about. Might be being a bit ambitious doing a Bertie, but stranger things have happened. There's the keys. Yep. Let's go for it. No good looking at it, is it? Nada. Very loose plug in that, which would indicate either a few spools in there or it's just a cheap and nasty piece of shite. Anyway. Come on, you little burger. Yeah, have some of that. Done. Oh, bollocks. And get the there we go. I'm back again. One Bertie dimple. Not a clue who makes 5-pinner. I mean, they all end up coming from bloody China eventually, don't they? Y2K LLAV cylindro 60mm. I don't think LLAV cylindro is German. Anyway, cheers chaps.